In the dynamic world of quantitative finance, models are essential tools for understanding and pricing complex instruments. However, many sophisticated financial models do not yield neat, closed-form analytical solutions, leaving practitioners unable to derive exact answers directly from formulas. This is where numerical methods become indispensable. These methods provide powerful approximation techniques, allowing us to tackle intricate problems that are otherwise intractable. They are the backbone of modern financial engineering, enabling the valuation of exotic options, the estimation of risk, and the simulation of market movements in scenarios where mathematical elegance gives way to real-world complexity. Consider the foundational Black-Scholes Partial Differential Equation. While it offers an analytical solution for vanilla European options, introducing elements like stochastic volatility, jump processes, or barrier features quickly renders it analytically unsolvable. In such cases, we turn to computational approaches to approximate the solution surface. One such approach is the Finite Difference Method, or FDM. FDM discretizes the continuous domain of a partial differential equation into a finite grid of points. Derivatives are then approximated by differences between the function values at neighboring grid points, transforming the continuous PDE into a system of algebraic equations. Applied to the Black-Scholes PDE, FDM involves creating a grid spanning asset price and time. We approximate derivatives like the time derivative, the partial derivative of v with respect to t, and the second spatial derivative, the second partial derivative of v with respect to s, using finite differences. By applying boundary conditions and iterating through the grid, we can numerically solve for option prices at various times and asset values. There are different flavors of FDM, including explicit, implicit, and Crank-Nicolson schemes. Each has trade-offs in terms of computational efficiency, stability, and accuracy. Explicit methods are simpler but can be unstable, while implicit methods are generally stable but require solving a system of equations at each step. Crank-Nicolson strikes a balance, offering good stability and accuracy. Another crucial class of numerical techniques involves lattice models. These models represent the evolution of an underlying asset or state variable over discrete time steps, forming a branching tree-like structure. They are particularly effective for problems involving path dependency or early exercise features. The binomial option pricing model, developed by Cox, Ross, and Rubinstein, is a classic example of a lattice model. It approximates the continuous time process of an asset price using a series of discrete up or down movements over specified time intervals, each with a calculated probability. In a binomial tree, at each node, the asset price can either move up by a factor u or down by a factor d. The risk-neutral probability of an upward movement, p, is often given by p equals frac e to the power of delta t minus du minus d, whereas the risk-free rate and delta t is the time step. Option prices are then calculated by working backward from the option's expiry date to the present. The computational utility of both finite difference methods and lattice models is immense. They allow quants to price options with American exercise features, incorporate complex dividend structures, or model multi-asset derivatives, where analytical solutions are simply out of reach. These methods provide the flexibility to adapt to new financial products and market conditions. However, these numerical techniques are not without limitations. They introduce approximation errors, which decrease as the grid or tree becomes finer, but at the cost of increased computational time. Stability issues can arise, and the choice of discretization scheme or parameter values significantly impacts accuracy and convergence. In conclusion, while analytical formulas offer elegant solutions for idealized scenarios, numerical methods are the workhorses of quantitative finance in the real world. Finite difference methods for PDEs and lattice models like binomial trees are essential tools for navigating the untamed markets, providing approximate solutions to complex valuation problems and empowering financial professionals to make informed decisions.